Hello guys, welcome back to NaturalLee. My name is Lydia. Today, guess what? We are making some pawpaw leaf oil, or you can call it papaya leaf oil. As the name goes, we will need pawpaw, that's papaya. And first of all is the leaf that we are looking for, and that's me struggling to get the leaf because it's a high tree. It's high up in the sky, so I was really struggling to get the leaf. And eventually I was able to get the leaf, but then I had to struggle a bit. Yes, we just saw that. So papaya leaf has several benefits, and in this video I'm going to share some of the benefits of using papaya leaf oil. So after you get the leaf, make sure that you wash it thoroughly. I wanted to get the fresher ones, but it was too high for me, so what I have, it's okay. So I washed it thoroughly. This is the first water. I washed it again, that was off camera, and then I had to cut them into pieces and then put them in the pan to fry. That is basically how to make this oil. But before we finish this video, let me show you the benefits of using papaya leaf oil. Pawpaw leaf oil is filled with antioxidants and vitamins that benefits both the scalp and the hair follicles. If you use them consistently, you'll be amazed. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B, especially B1, B2, B3, and B6. It also contains iron, which is also very good for the hair. Some benefits of pawpaw leaf include fighting dandruff. It can fight dandruff if you are struggling to deal with your dandruff. It also stimulates hair growth. The important thing is to infuse it into your carrier oil and then use it consistently. If you have clogged pores, using pawpaw leaves can help you unclog your pores. Consistent use, and it's very light. It's not going to be too thick on your hair or something. It's very, very light. And I am using very low heat. When I say low heat, I mean very low heat, because if you use too much heat, it's going to burn. When I finish, I just trained it like you see me do in the video, and that's it. Like, it's the simplest oil you can make. In fact, these oils are not stressful at all, unless you want to make it stressful, but then they are very easy to make. When you finish, just press it or compress it like you are seeing me doing with this video, and you are good to go. You can use this as pre-poo or hot oil treatment depending on how you want to use it, or use it to grow your edges. For me, I'm using this oil for my edges because, as I always say, my edges is in shackles. But don't worry, I have faith in the herbal products that I've been using, the hair products that I've been using, and I know that they are going to deliver. When you are done, if you don't like the smell, you can add a little fragrance to it just to improve on the smell, but it's not that bad. You can generally use it. So when you are done, just apply it or pour it into your applicator bottle or your spray bottle or any container that you want to use to transfer onto your hair, and you are good to go. Can you see the color and the thickness? For me, I absolutely love it. Let me know if you'll be trying this pawpaw leaves or hair oil. My next video, I'll be doing pawpaw leaves tea or tea rinse, so that you can try using that one too as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my subsequent videos. On this channel, we talk about hair growth, so if you are new to the channel and it's something that interests you, do well to subscribe. Bye.